For the past 3 decades, I've been saying Jambalaya. Jambalaya. Just doesn't sound right to me. But I'm not from Louisiana, so you have to give me a pass on this one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just put it in all one pot and let it roll. Getting that buck fever. Jambalaya with tomatoes has a more French or Creole influence than a Cajun type of jambalaya, which is more brown. That's just how the Cajun people like it. Because they're weird. They're actually weirder than the French. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm using venison andouille, processed from some hapless deer a friend of mine mercilessly gunned down last fall to satisfy his bloodlust.
Bloodlust.
Because you never see a chubby, overfed deer. They're just scraping by on their ass. They're just trying to survive. Berry here, a little nip of grass here, a nut there, and you're getting shot. They're constantly on the run. I just could never shoot a deer. I think they're too pretty. I think they look too much like my dog. I think that's the block for me. They look too much like a dog. I could never shoot a dog. But at times I could shoot my dog. Every once in a while I get that kind of impulse. It's not really driven by bloodlust. Chef Tony Chacare, I hope I'm saying that right, a true pioneer in shameless spice promotion. That's a pretty good looking ill-fitting suit. Tony only wears tracksuits around his corrugated steel riverside shanty. We all know this. Jambalaya is a nice change of pace from chili if you're doing a lot of tailgating this fall. I'm generally not a fan of venison, but when it's in andouille, it masks its gaminess. THICCCC, thick.